I've been trying to film a what I eat in a day at least once a month for you guys, and I've like kind of been on it, but not totally. But today I'm doing a full what I eat in a day. This is kind of like the last one. Like, I don't really have things totally planned out. I need to grocery shop. We're in the office today. I think I'm gonna do a half day in the office though, because I have a lot of stuff to shoot and I need to be home to do that, because we are like T-minus a couple weeks away from LBD. I don't know if you guys can see my giant baby belly right now. Like being born, which is so crazy. So I need to get stuff prepped so that I can take a little bit more time like away from work to be with him. Obviously, running your own business, I'm always working. It's not like I can just like completely shut down, but I want to be able to step back a little bit and really enjoy that time. Today, I just want to show you guys what I'm eating in a typical day. I think it's really important, especially in pregnancy, to share this because it hasn't changed that much for me. The whole eating for two thing is complete BS. Complete BS, you guys. It's just science. It's facts, not my opinion. You only need like about 300 calories extra than your norm end of second trimester and in your third trimester to prep for baby. So obviously I go to my doctor every couple weeks. I'm healthy, I'm good. So I'm just gonna show you guys what my typical day looks like fully pregnant. But again, this is kind of how I normally eat, even when I'm at like my most fit, healthy, non-pregnant self. Good morning. Coffee to bring to the office, which is like my normal half calf, miscongeniality, some marine collagen peptides. I've been doing like inulin for some extra fiber in there, but I've been wanting to do food with my coffee lately. You guys know if you've been watching my like morning routines and stuff, just because I feel like I feel my best when I have that paired together and not just coffee on an empty stomach, and it's way better for your hormones and everything. So protein, getting a little hit of that first thing this morning. And then we have some stuff like, they're like these little breakfast bites that I bought at Costco in the freezer here at the office. So I'll probably make those in like an hour or so. I just still haven't fully gotten used to like eating meals first thing in the morning. So at least we're getting the protein in. We just finished up 2 hours of back-to-back meetings and I am freaking starving. So I want to go home to start shooting stuff, but I think I'm just gonna eat something quickly here, at least to get like a little hit, because there's a couple things I need to wrap up before I can actually leave to go start shooting. So I'll show you guys those. They're from Costco. They're like these little breakfast bites. They're these morning protein bites. Like Harvest Bites. They have chicken sausage, eggs, sweet potato, squash, kale, and onions. They're actually like really, really clean ingredients too. There's not anything weird in them, which I always look for. And then really good, like 4 pieces is 1 serving. So you get 10 grams of protein, some good healthy fats in there, and then just 6 grams of carbs. So not too much from the sweet potatoes. Just overall a really good, quick breakfast when you need something fast. For Ryan too. I'm not gonna eat all of this. I'll bring anything that like I just cooked to Ryan. He eats it immediately, and every time it's too hot, and I tell him it's gonna be hot. And then he's like, ah, it's so hot. Burn your mouth.
I did.
You have to blow on it. I'm prepping for a child. Blow on your food first. Make sure it's not too hot.
Yeah, way better.
So much better, right? You're welcome.
Unbelievable.
Well, thanks. These things are so good though. Just came home to shoot and the ants have attacked the kitchen. I refuse to go in there now because it drives me crazy. So Ryan's gonna clean it and deal with it so I can actually get in there. But I love you.
Yeah. I'm the ant killer. It's fine.
Handle business.
Yeah.
I was just trying to figure out what I want to do for lunch, and I remembered my friend dropped off these salads last night for Ryan and I because she curated the salad at a restaurant in LA. So I don't have to think about it because it's ready in the fridge and it looks really, really freaking good. The only thing is there's not like a, I mean there's like plant-based protein in it, but there's not like a protein, so I do have some like leftover turkey burger. I might just have that on the side of it. Always my focus is on healthy carbs, healthy fats, healthy proteins, veggies, like getting my greens in every single meal. So although yes, you can get proteins from plant-based foods, of course, like lentils and quinoa and all of that, this mostly has like butternut squash, I think, sweet potato. So not like anything that's gonna have a significant source of protein. And it's important always, like, especially if you're working out, us women, average should have at least about 100 grams of protein a day, if not significantly more. And that's hard to do. But during pregnancy, especially for this little guy, I gotta make sure I'm really hitting that, which is why I've been adding even more LSF protein throughout the day just to like get that in. JK, I just found chicken in the salad. I thought it was just veggies, so perfect. I just finished filming some stuff. I'm gonna have a snack. I need to work out still. I have my leg booty day today, but I'm gonna do that probably in like 30 minutes or so. So apple, I'm gonna have for good healthy carbs. It's super important before working out to make sure you have carbs in your body and at least 30 to like 45 to an hour before working out. No closer than 30 minutes. I'm gonna do that. And then I normally do like almond butter or something, but I just got this, the granola butter, and it's a pumpkin spice. So I'm gonna be basic because it's fall and drizzle this on my apple. For a split second, I thought I'd be really cute and do my apple like rings, but then I have to get down my whole like KitchenAid and the whole thing. So we're just gonna cut it. This is ridiculously good. It's like fall exploding in your mouth. I normally do normal, like regular nut butters, but this is granola butter. So if you are like allergic to nuts and seeds, this would be a good alternative, depending, because it has coconut oil, but it's just gluten-free oats, coconut oil, maple syrup, olive oil, cinnamon, nutmeg, sugar, no, not sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, rosemary, and salt. I don't understand how it tastes like pumpkin spice. What's in pumpkin spice? Cinnamon, ginger, oh. How weird, you guys. I don't know why I thought there was pumpkin something in pumpkin spice. It's just cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and nutmeg. I feel dumb. But yeah, pumpkin spice. It's delicious. I was debating if I wanted protein right now, but I feel like I'm just gonna make a quick dinner since we didn't eat those turkey patties for lunch. Since there ended up being chicken and salad, I'm just gonna make them tonight in like a bowl situation, but just throw that together quickly so it won't be that long before we eat dinner. So I'm just gonna do that post-workout, and then I'll have more protein and figure like out like a yummy dessert kind of treat for tonight. Throwing these little like turkey burger bowls together, and I literally didn't have to make anything except the little like sauce dressing that I made with the tahini. Everything else was either frozen, prepackaged, already made with the turkey burgers. So just making a really simple fast dinner. But I think that's the biggest thing is like it doesn't always have to be fresh and take all this time. Obviously I love when I'm able to use like fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, make everything super fresh, but like it's not always realistic. So this is an easy way to make sure you're still getting a lot of healthy foods without spending a ton of time. Greens at the bottom. Corn in the frozen section from Trader Joe's. Add a little scoop of hummus. These these were my turkey burgers from dinner the other night, so I just heated those up. Add avocado. Top it with some of that dressing I made. Normally I would just do like protein and water for dessert, but I was really wanting like brownies or cookies or something, so I'm just gonna do a protein mug cake. It takes like 2 minutes, and then I have my protein, but I still get that like extra indulgent kind of feel for my dessert. Chocolate gooey yummy mug cake is done. I have a ton of these recipes on the LSF Nutrition Instagram, so I'll link them down below for you. It truly takes like 2 minutes, and it's packed with protein, plus you get like all the goodness. So right now we'll probably share this. Sometimes I make us each our own, but I feel like, especially if I'm using like the maple syrup and stuff, just to like keep it lower on sugar before going to bed, we'll just have a few bites, and that's kind of like perfect and all we need. Now that I'm later in my pregnancy, I've learned that my head is bigger than my stomach, so even sharing with Ryan, we couldn't finish it. It was delicious, and since it's so easy to make, it doesn't even matter. But hopefully you guys like seeing another what I eat in a day. I've been loving doing these ones that are kind of just on a whim, not like planned out all of my meals, because that's just been my reality lately, and I can only imagine it'll be more so once LBD is actually here, but still always putting my focus on fueling my body, getting everything I need so I can maintain my healthy routines. Hopefully give you guys ideas for just easy recipes, even when you're really short on time and you don't have a plan. So if you do like these videos, hit that thumbs up and let me know in the comments below, like if there's specific things you want to see for the next one I do, which might actually be when this baby is here.